Want to learn how to create these popular video graphics? I'm going to show you how to do them in Canva so that you can step up your social media for guess what? By the time this video comes out, it'll be the end of August, so it'll be 12 to 13 weeks to Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Hola, my name is Betsy from Betsy Logo Creative, and I normally teach my tips, tricks, and resources to elevate your Shopify store. But today I'm going to teach you this tutorial on Canva because you also need to learn Canva so that you can create your email marketing for Black Friday and any other time, right? But these are popular graphics that are trending, and I want to show you how to do them. All right, so we're going to find video here on Canva, but if you already have your own video, then go ahead and bring those into Canva. Just know that if you don't have Canva Pro, you do have to remove the background from the video in order for this to work. So you can go ahead and do this. Plenty of free resources available that you can remove that background of the video and then import it into Canva. Okay, so go ahead and do that if you need to do that, and then follow along. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start with Santa. Guys, I love Christmas. Okay, so what we're going to do, this is going to be in two, we're gonna do this in two parts. Okay, this is already a plain background, so that's okay, it's perfectly fine. So what we can do, and I'll show you a few different versions of this. So the first one is this one here. So what we're going to do is that we're going to edit this video and remove the background. Okay, so what we could do is make him bigger like this. All right, okay, so now what we'll do is we have to add the text. So within Canva, it just shortcut key, if you just press the T for text, it will automatically add a text bar here. So what we're going to do, let's go ahead and just enter Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and enter that. We're gonna put it somewhere, I think up here would be good. All right, and I think I just want to make this font bigger. And then I like, for this type of effect, I like a chunky typography. So I'm gonna do this one. And then let's go ahead and make those lines closer together. Perfect. All right, and let's make it right here. All right, so I like that here. You can also, if you want to make sure something's centered, you click on the position and then center it here and in the middle, so you know it's perfectly in the center of that box. Okay, so now what we're going to do is that we're going to create a copy of this and then sandwich Santa in between. So I did create this effect just as a static image in a previous video. I'll link it up on top if you would like to go ahead and take a look, but it's the same process. Okay, so let's go ahead and make that here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the font, and then I'm going to put it right over it, exactly right on top of it. Then we're going to go ahead and click on the effects and create the hollow effect. Okay, so now for this one, actually, I'm going to bring it down to about 30, and then I'll come back if I need to change it. Okay, so that's that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to grab Santa or whatever image you have back here that you're going to be using, the video image, and you're going to go ahead and click on the position and then layers, and then you're going to bring that image of that video right in between the two texts. And there we go. All right, so now if we click on the play, so let's go ahead and do a preview, click on play, this is what it would look like. Cool, right? Okay, so what I would do if this was something that I was actually going to create, then what I would do is I would bring the text down. Now sometimes this gets tricky because of the layering, so what you can do is you can click it over here, and then so it's highlighted, and then you just bring it down. Okay, let's try that. And I could probably bring it down even a little bit lower. Okay, but you get the point, right? So this is how you can do a video like that. I think these are so fun. All right, now let's say you actually want a background. You don't want anything, the solid color in the back, white. or actually you can make this background any color actually that you want. Okay. You can make it any color you want, but if you actually want a background behind there, so let's do this. Let's go ahead and create another page. Let's use this one here. So what we're going to do is copy and paste it. So you have 2 copies of the image of the video. You're going to remove the background from this video. So let's see, make sure he was removed. Once you remove the background, you're going to put it right back on top of each other. Okay, so both videos, you can't tell, but both videos are right on top of each other, and this is how you can tell. So see, there's 2 videos, but you can't tell, right? It's just one, okay? Because you're putting them right on top of each other is the key, okay? So once you put them right on top of each other, then you can grab both videos and place them wherever you want, but you have to keep them together, okay? Fill in the whole thing. Let's go ahead and put them in the middle. Okay. We're going to do that. All right. So now both centers are there. So now let's work with the text. We're layering videos and we're layering text. Okay. So let's say here, Merry Christmas. All right. Let's bring it over here. All right, beautiful. And then what are we going to do? We're going to do the same thing we did before, okay? So we're going to go ahead and copy and paste the Merry Christmas, just like we did before. And again, effects, hollow, and then 30. I usually like 30, okay? So now what we're going to do, you're going to click on position, and this is the order which you're going to put it. You're going to put the hollow font first, then the image with no background second, okay, then the font, then the image. Okay, I love it. Okay, I just love Christmas. Okay, so this is how you do these video effects. What do you think? It's super fun, right? All right, so if you need to stop and rewind, go ahead and do so, but just remember when it comes to the videos with a background, so you're putting them one on top of the other, the same thing with the text, and then you're going to layer them. And if you decide, you know what, you rather it look like this, then go ahead, then grab that background and delete it. All right, and it's still the same. Okay, so you can apply this in many different ways, right? If you can find a video where Santa is walking across, that would be awesome. So if you can grab like Santa coming across or elves coming across, you know, walking across, then you can do that. All right, let's move on to the second video. This is the second graphic that I want to show you how to do. And so it works for carousels. So when you create those carousels on IG, this is what this would be for. But you can also use it for your email marketing as well, for like a little jiffy kind of a thing, showing them that there's something else. You can do that. You can use this in a lot of different ways. Okay, we're going to start with the carousel. We're just doing a 2-page carousel, just to show you the demonstration of this, how this works. So this is going to be the first carousel. So it's this Black Friday. I'm keeping it very simple. And then the second page of the carousel is of giveaway. What we're wanting to do, as you saw in the sample, is that we want to nudge them to go to the second page of that carousel. Okay, so what we're going to do is, I already downloaded this one page here. I downloaded it, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it and bring it into this page here so that I can show you how to animate it. Okay, so here's the upload. Okay, perfect. So what we're going to do, the first step is to make it the same height here. So we're going to go ahead and pull. You're going to pull down and to the right, okay, to make it the same size. So then what we're going to do is going to push it here. We're going to put it right here for now. Okay, then what we're going to do is, if you click on in the design and click the L for just to, it makes a line for you, another shortcut key. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and you're just going to put it right here. Actually, it really doesn't matter. This is just for purposes of being able to hide this part here to create the animation. Okay, so it doesn't really matter where you put it. I'm going to put it here just so that you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just put that there, and what we're going to do is we're going to grab that, and then we're going to grab that image that we imported, and we're going to make that into a group. So right here, group it. So it's one image. So you see how now when you move it around, they're both together. Okay, so you're going to put it there. And now what you're going to do is you're going to hide. You're going to bring that second image all the way to the end here so that you don't see it. Okay. All right. So now you don't see it, but you do see the line. Okay. So now what we'll do is the next step will be to click where it says animate. So we're going to animate. And this is one of those new features that Canva launched at the beginning of this year, which is really cool. So what you're going to do is going to click on this, click animation, and if you read the instructions here, shows you how to do that. Okay, so it's giving you a little bit demonstration here as well. So what you're going to do is, as it says here, hold the shift. So I'm going to hold the shift, and I'm going to mimic what I want it to do. Okay, so I want it to slide in and slide out. Okay, so I'm going to click on the shift, grab the image, slide it in, and then slide it back out. Okay, and that's what it's going to do. You see that? All right, and then once you do that and you let go, you're going to have this menu here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we want that to be nice and smooth, because as you see, my hand it wasn't steady. So we're going to go ahead and make it smooth, and then I want it to go a little bit fast. So this is the speed. You can put the speed here, and then you can see as it, you see that how it went. Okay, so you can go ahead and play around with the speed. So I'm going to just click it right there. I think that's good enough. All right, so that's giving it the nudge. Hey, something's coming in from that direction. Okay, all right, and then the last step that you're going to do is that now you're going to grab that line. Okay, so you're going to click on the line, and you're going to click on the transparency and bring it all the way down, 0, so that you don't see it. Okay. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and play. And so now you'll see how it comes in like that. Okay. Now what we're going to do is you're going to download this one as an MP4 video, and then just this one though, you only want the first page. Okay, so you download that one because this is the video. So now you're going to download the video file, which is this one, and you're going to download that second image down here. Okay, so then when you post it on Instagram, remember that this is going to be the first post, and this is going to be the second, because then this one is going to nudge, and then people are going to want to go ahead and scroll and see the second page. And this could be whatever. It could be your items. It could be what you actually is a 70% off, 50% off, buy one, whatever your Black Friday sale is going to be. That's just what you will put here. I just did this as an example. So this is really, really cool graphics that'll grab everyone's attention for this coming season, and for any promotion that you're doing. These are trending graphics that I wanted to show you how to do. I would love to see them. If you do create them, please go ahead and tag me over on Instagram. Here's my Instagram handle. I would love to see them. So that is it. Again, give me a thumbs up and watch this next video. This is another video that I previously did, also recreating popular Canva graphics. Till next time, my friends. Adios.